In this video, I will show how to check page speed. So there are some tools to check online easily. I'm using this website. It's my own website, techproadvice.com. So you can use it freely. Just visit this URL and click on page speed checker. Enter for your website or for your website page. So copy and paste URL and submit. Wait for a few seconds and here you will get the result. This is the URL, time taken 2.57 seconds. And here you will see all result like CSS links, script links, image links and other resource links. Here you can calculate load time for CSS. And you can analyze which code is getting more seconds or more time. So thanks for watching. This is the way you can check out page speed for any blog or website. Thanks for watching.